Today I'm here at the CCUCM Museum of Ginseng, and today I'm going to take you on a journey, so let's go and have a look.
参呢，它在我们吉林省具有非常高的一个地位，是我们东北三宝之一，也是我们吉林省最著名的道地药材。那它作为药用呢，最早出现在《神农本草经》当中，被列为上品。
Jilin has a long history of harvesting and growing ginseng. It is the main production area in China and the world. Ginseng has played a part in people's lives for many years. And there are many stories and folk songs about this. Then they have to prepare for ginseng. And once they're ready, they're then going to go and have a little prayer to the gods. Hopefully they'll find something. And then they'll go off looking for it. Once they find it, they have to mark the area. And they use this very special red string to tie it to the floor, so it doesn't run away or get up and walk, and they know where to find it. And then later on, after many years and it's grown 5, 10, 15 leaves, the people will come back and they'll dig it up very carefully and they'll wrap it in birch wood, bark, and then it's ready, good to go. All right guys, here we have the ginseng with some red string and 2 little coins. This is to show people where the ginseng is. Right guys, to preserve ginseng you can do it 2 ways. 1, you can dry it, or 2, you can put it in a pot with alcohol. And if you come down here and look at this, you can see the color is very dark, yes? Now this would mean roughly that this ginseng's been preserved for 40 years. As the top producing ginseng area in China, Jilin, with its natural resources and infrastructure, is moving towards a better future.